Good morning, everyone. We're back to roofing. As you see in the back, the one we're gonna do. Come on, let's take a look. That's the material, you can see. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look. Supposed to be a small house, but you know, we gotta do the sheeting. Let's see how the back of the house look. That's supposed to be okay. Hey, World Cup is going on, guys. Right there. Spain. And this is how the house look in the back. As you could see, small house. Nothing to it. Gonna put the sheeting. All right, guys. So keep you guys updated. And then we see who is starting to put the... compañero, ¿cómo estamos, equipo? Vamos. Alright, guys. So I'll keep you guys posted. Ahí vamos a darle taja acá a saber lo que hay. Está el equipo. Equipo, ¿cómo estamos? Ya estamos listos. I'll let you guys know.